Alright, a little known safety tip for all the welders and ironworkers out there. If you're dealing with metal or metal dust, shavings, any of that good stuff, and if you have to be sent to the hospital for any reason, and they want to do an MRI anywhere around your head, you want to tell the doctors no. Reason being, if you have little bits of metal dust, shaving, spatter, what have you, in or around your eyeballs, and they do an MRI, it's going to start wiggling around. Sometimes they even explode, or they just dart off different places because of whatever the MRI does. I don't know exactly what it does. If I was that smart, I wouldn't be doing this. But it starts moving around and it can damage your eye pretty bad. You can even lose sight permanently from the MRI machine doing its thing and the metal starts moving around. So you either have in your wallet pieces of paper, have your foreman have stuff, whoever takes you to the hospital has to know that in case you're unconscious. In my next video, I'll be saying how I have that kind of set, doing a little bit shorter videos, keep it more entertaining for y'all. Alright, later Gators.